Foxtrot and
Waltzers.
Yeah, and we sometimes call it Waltztrot or Foxtrot Fusion. All of those things work. All right, so we played, as we mentioned in our last video, so that one is notated and it is uploaded to YouTube. We noted that we did two separate rhythms, and so we did a slow, slow, quick, quick. And one of the things that we did with that is we did some pivots. So these are super easy, gentle two-step pivots, and I'm going to set it up on the quick, quick by leading a rock step, because I really want to get my follow a little bit farther away from me and ask them to stay put. That looks like this. Slow, slow, quick, quick.
She's giving me that pressure saying, stay there.
And then I'm going to step around. I'm going to relax this hand, bring it back up, open the frame up, step around, slow, slow, and then a side together, right? So, slow, slow,
quick, quick, slow, slow, and a quick, quick, da, 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 do, ba, ba, da, da,
and a few people did this.
Yes, you could keep going,
right? Yeah. So those things all work. And just note that you can also do that in your slow, quick, quick, slow rhythm, heading that way. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Here's the setup. Slow, slow, and quick, quick. Notice I changed the rhythm on that pivot, however. All right. We use the same setup to get into a turning waltz, only Foxtrot rhythm. So for this one, this really does work much more, just so much better in a slow, quick, quick, slow rhythm.
You're establishing that rhythm.
Slow, quick, quick, slow, set it up. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, side together, and that's going to take me back into my one of the rhythms. And I just mentioned that you want to remember that you can change these kinds of things up. So let's say I'm doing a setup, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. I could just walk. And quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, side together, right? So these things can work together. Then we did ale stair steps. And I love these. These have just a really sort of delicious quality.
They said they were very foxtrotty.
They are. They feel quite lovely. So one of the things I'm going to do, and I'm just going to step away from Claire for a second so that you can see this. I'm going to start rotating my core and my follow before I step. So once I get my follow to the outside, I'm going to step slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And what we said with that rhythm is that if I did a lot of rotation, slow, quick, quick, this was just going to be a break, right?
We weren't going to get a lot of travel.
We weren't going to get a lot of side together, right? So slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Notice I'm really not going much of anywhere. Sometimes that's really nice. Sometimes there's nowhere to go.
Gotta tread water.
But if I did a little less, slow, side together, slow, quick, quick, rotate, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Notice when I'm doing that, on my rotations, I'm not really traveling. I am traveling on the side together. All right, then.
Really, one thing, we talked about there's two different ways that a follow could interpret this footwork-wise. Actually there's three. One is that when I get brought around, I can do a little side close, but that doesn't continue my energy. And if I feel that travel, I want to go ahead and acknowledge that. So instead, I can be brought around and do a side cross, continuing my energy. So around, side cross, around, side cross. But especially if I have more rotation, I'll want to sweep, and you'll actually see my footwork change there if you rewind. When I get that big sweep, I'm going to do this just like when we're in turning waltz, and when we're doing this thing, yep, da da, yep, da da, yep, da da. It's going to be pretty similar. So now we're going slow, sweep, quick, quick, slow, sweep, quick, quick, slow, sweep. Or I can take it into that side
can kind of add some additional steps in there, little side togethers, and I can do those in a couple of different places. If I go back to my slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, got my follows back to the outside of the hall, then I can do these quick, 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 slow, and back into there.
Or whichever direction you want to sneak to on the dance floor, wherever your hands are pointed, that's where you're going.
Absolutely. Or I can use this slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Note you gotta do 2 sets of those.
If you have 2 feet.
And make sure you hit that 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There it is.
Then your right foot is free to do it on the other side. All right, so
We also added in little hesitations that we could do in place of those side togethers.
and we actually did, let's actually show what we did to kind of get everybody up and going on those. So we could just go back and forth,
We could do quick quicks here.
which
Okay.
aren't ideal. But if we go back to our slow, 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 or forward and back, slow, 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 we can now change that up and turn that into a quick, quick.
With hesitation.
With hesitation. So the exercise we did is we all stood on our right foot and we just put our left foot out and we went almost
Push
there.
off. Push off.
But as Claire says, we're pushing back.
Resisting and
Quick, 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 quick. Really helps to sort of add a little tone in your body leads. So maybe I'm just doing slows. Slow, 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 and quick, 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 slow, 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 quick, 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 slow, right? So I can play with those, and there's just a whole lot of places we can put those if we were just doing our slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow, and quick, quick. So there's just so many different opportunities to do that. And then the last 2 things that are on the syllabus, we showed them, we did not teach them. And we're going slow, quick, quick across the top, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, I step through, down line, across the top, down line, right? And then we also said, in the category of waltz oddities, it is possible with very, very fast waltz music.
Very fast.
Very fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3.
Just keep doing that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, let's go once. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Da 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 da
Right, and back in.
So you can actually do turning waltz to foxtrot rhythm
For fast waltz.
for fast waltz. Amazing.
We'll see if we can put that.
It's like a
in your
turducken of closed position dancing.
Exactly. All right, everyone. It was a pleasure. Well done, all of you.
Happy waltz trotting.
Yes, beautiful dancing.